Hi, welcome back to another Thrift with me and Thrift Haul. I'm Brandy, and I'm so glad that you came back to join me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my community. And I hope you enjoy this Thrift with me. And if you prefer just to look at the haul, go ahead and skip ahead to about the 10-minute mark, and I will share with you some of my finds for this week. If you know anything about me, you know that I love glassware. I have no place for it, but I always stop by to take a look at it. I'm not a drinker, so I can never justify buying beautiful fluted glasses, but I just think glass is beautiful. And so I have to take a look, especially when they're interesting and have interesting curved stems like that one had. And I've identified a set. I always look for sets because you want at least two of something, right? It's $1.59 for that particular, I guess it would be like was it a wine glass? I'm not exactly sure what kind of alcohol would be best suited in that, but there's a third one. And I really like the shape on that one. I love that kind of crystal looking ball in the stem. That's so cute. This was beautiful, but it felt like really lightweight, like almost plastic. These are to die for. That looks so mid-century modern. I love the shape. I wish there was more than two. And this one I've actually seen in here a couple times before. I love how big it is. Those glass espresso cups are so cute. And these little minis are to die for. I guess the other ones are coffee mugs, and these are more like espresso. That is so cute. And I thrifted some of these. a couple hauls ago, and I had broken them. They looked a bit different, but I did. I was looking specifically for Irish coffee mugs, and it was awesome because they had like 30 of the same kind. I always take a look at the lamps. Usually don't find anything that really suits my house, but this one I thought was really unique. And if you could add some handles onto it with like some clay molding, it would have been really nice. That is such a cool fluted vessel or vase. Very unique body. Here's some more lamps. These I really like. They look very 90s, kind of like Japanese Zen style for some reason. That's what it reminds me of. I thought they were really nice. And these armoires, I didn't really like any of the necessarily the grain or the handles, but those are things that can be changed. This very much looks like a Christmas decor item. I have no idea what this is. No clue. If anyone can guess at what that could be, please leave a comment. And I appreciate all the comments that everyone has been leaving. Some of you guys have just been so kind. Thank you so much. And please feel free to give me any suggestions or offer advice. Some of you give me advice on what material things are or the value of things that you see, or that maybe you found something similar in your thrift store. I love to hear that. Thank you so much. I love silver serving dishes. It reminds me of my grandmother and great-grandmother, kind of that old school thing. And this is Project 62, which is Target candle holder. I like it. I just wish there was 2 of them. That is so cute for a desk. It does feel and look like styrofoam though. Welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I share thrift with me's and thrift hauls, home decor, and other lifestyle videos. So please join the family. I really appreciate that. And we are going to get into this week's home decor thrift haul. So the first item I picked up was this cake pan. Excuse me, it's a bit dirty. It's not at all been cleaned properly, but I love the shape of it. It's very simple, and most importantly, it's lightweight. I had a beautiful cake pan that I thrifted some weeks back. It was gorgeous, but it was so heavy. It was hard to get it on and off the shelf. It was hard to take off the lid, and this one is just, it's a lot lighter and a lot more simple, and it just seems to work better overall. But I do like the shape of it. It's a bit more modern than the other one. The other one was more kind of like elegant, like special occasion looking. So reach back there. Next item is this. Not sure what it is. I thought maybe it was a pitcher, but a pitcher usually has like a spout. So I'm assuming it's just a glass vessel. I'm not exactly sure what to do with it, but if you look inside, it has this stopper thing, but the stopper has a hole in it. So I don't have a clue what to do with it. So I'm using it as a vessel, but I just like the shape of it. I thought it was very, very nice. And this was probably about $2 because I think it was half off. And the cake pan was probably about $5. Next item, and I actually got 4 of these. Now, I did thrift some Irish coffee mugs before. I had only thrifted 2 at that time because that's all they had. And they had like 20 of them. So I got 4. And one of the Irish coffee mugs I got from last week is already broken. So I replaced them with this set of 4. And I really like the shape. I just love Irish coffee mugs. Like, they're just adorable to me. But obviously you don't need too many. They're not the easiest to store because you can't stack them, but they're just so cute to drink coffee out of, especially like iced coffee. My last item is actually my favorite. Sorry about the clinking and clanging. This item is a glass clamshell. And I really, really love this. I'm sitting it on my coffee table in my living room. I have yet to figure out what I want to stick inside of it, but I just love this. It's kind of scratched up. It's a lot scratched up, actually. But I figure when I finally fill it with something, you won't notice. But I just like the shape, the overall shape of it. And this was a couple bucks, too. Yeah, I just thought it was very unique, and it would make a nice decor accent piece for my table. And that is it for this week. Thank you for joining me again for another thrift haul. And please subscribe if you haven't, and take care of yourselves. And I'll see you next week. Bye.